Alright, here we're back at Plaza, and this will be the second elevator here at this place. There's the shaft, and I'm doing this in a better take. So we have the Kone Ecodisc from 2013. So, the up button is messed up. Look at that. I don't know what happened to the. So yeah, we're gonna start off by going down, and so here it is, and we got carbon box here down the S. It's also the Kone Ecodisc installed in 2013. There's the other one we rode. Here at S, up to 1. Someone's getting on. No, they're not. We're at 1, down the S. Let's do a cameo. It's just a nice Kone elevator, just like the other one. Right here are the fixtures, and there's the indicator. And we're going up, so we're gonna end it there at PB. Alright. It's weird. So yeah, the up button, the up button on this floor is messed up. So there's your MP and the fire extinguisher. So alright, well, there it goes. And that's it.